Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a very quick video on how to break down sea perch. Sea perch is called Nodoguro in Japanese. So it's one of the most expensive, delicious, fatty white fish that you can eat. Yeah, so let's begin. So we're gonna quickly remove all the scales, of course, as normal. And then we're gonna cut the belly and then cut off the head by the fins, just to remove all the organs and the guts. Okay. Okay, we're going to cut out an angle and remove the head. And then we're going to wash all of the blood. Okay, you always want to remove all of the blood clean, rinse it off thoroughly, because if there's any excess blood, that's how fish goes bad quicker. And then once we do that, we're going to dry it off, with pat it down with a paper towel, and as you can see, it's very clean. Alright, yeah, so alright, we're gonna start as normally. All fish, we always start from the belly part. We make an incision towards the center of the fish. Okay, and once we do that, we're going to start on the back of the fish, turn the fish over, and then we're going to make a first incision just to get to the meat of the fish. Okay, and then once we do that, we're going to slide our knife, work our way through to the middle of the fish. Okay. So Nodoguro is it's a very brittle fish, so you want to be very careful with it. You definitely don't want to break any of the meat, because if you do, it's definitely it's a lot of money. So yes, all right. So once you do that, there you break off the spine. Be careful, and there you go. You have a fillet. Okay. And as for all fish, the process is the same. We're going to remove the breastplate. Okay, trim it as close to the bones as possible so you do not lose any meat. Yeah, Nodoguro, delicious fish. I love it. What about you guys? Okay, and we're gonna trim that off right there, and there you go. So okay, trim all of the extra little excess fat, extra guts off. And once we have that, there you go. Okay. Alright, so next step is to take out the pin bones, take a tweezer, and then we're going to start from the collar. All fish have the same anatomy pretty much, and they have little bones in the center spine of the fish. So it goes generally from the head to the middle of the fish. Anyway, thank you again, guys. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment below.